Hey, it is Nika, and it is time to decorate our planners for the first week of December. For this spread, I am using this month's digital kit from my shop, plus some other stickers. I think these are from last month, and some other random stickers that I printed out, and also these days of the week. And I'll also be using this sticker book. I just picked this up at Michael's the other day. It was on sale and it was so colorful. I could not resist. I know I do not need any more stickers, so I'll be trying to incorporate that into this spread. And I also have my trusty little sticker book, and this book has just all sorts of random stickers. They're from leftover books, kits, anything that's unused just kind of gets thrown in that book. And I also pulled out some washi for this week, or not for this week. I tried to pull like some Christmas feel washi, not Christmas theme, but just washi that has a Christmas feel. So here is my mini happy planner, and I also did a full setup on this video. So if you haven't caught that, go back and watch how I set everything up for the month. So for this week, I will be using an insert. I won't be doing like the freeform layout for this week, because it is the first week of December and I want to be really structured this week. And I want to kind of get my December off to a good start. And I'm using this gold and white washi. It has little white hearts. And I wanted something gold, and then I don't know, it kind of had a Valentine's feel to it. So I'm going to add this red and white stripe washi to kind of give it a Christmas feel. And to me, this washi looks like candy canes. I don't know, or maybe it does to me. And this washi is from, I want to say the American Crafts is from that Mittens and Mistletoe collection. And this is going to be a very quick spread this week. I know when I'm mainly going for function, I think those spreads come together quickly. And also the fact that my camera cut out like a little section of it. So I'm just starting adding these boxes to random spots just to give my spread kind of a foundation. And I put that little extra piece of torn sticker. I can write my date on that sticker. So I'm adding my days of the week. So there's Monday, Tuesday, and then I'm going to split Wednesday and Thursday. And the reason why I split my Wednesdays, this is my kind of like my work and social media planner. And my son has half a days from school on Wednesday. So I kind of split that day because I know I'm not going to get like a full work day. And it also helps because I don't have to try and fit Sunday in that little bottom corner, because I always like to add like some deco in that corner. So here I am adding my menu, self-care, and exercise. Yes, I am putting exercise, but I don't know how much exercise is going to happen during the month of December. But I just want to keep it in my planner as a reminder not to go completely overboard with all the hot chocolate and little Christmas goodies and snacks. And I'm kind of putting like, I know that I wanted those little marshmallows on Wednesday, because I know we kind of have a thing when my son gets out of school. I guess for this month we'll be having like a hot chocolate when he gets home every day. And I think this is about where my camera decided to cut off. And I'm looking in that sticker book this book has lots of trackers, but I don't know, the colors just seemed off. Like it's the same. See, like with that pink and gold sticker, it's pink. I don't know, the colors just seem to be off. Or maybe they weren't as vibrant as I wanted. Like I keep pulling things from that book, and it's just not working. And I think I do end up using, like, it has like this little priorities checkbox if I ever find it. Yeah, there it is. And I put this in that bottom right hand corner, kind of as my to-do list for the week. And I think this is where my camera cuts off, because I put that in the bottom right corner. And I also put like my little dolls and deco in that corner. Yes, here we are. I lost a good bit of footage, so I lost adding like my dolls, but the main part is my little priorities to-do list in the corner. And I did write in the date off camera. I don't always date my planner pages until I actually sit down and plan on a Sunday night. But this time, since it's December, I won't be able to reuse these pages. I went ahead and dated them. I hope you enjoyed this layout, and I will be back with next week and maybe some daily pages in my pocket planner.